In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make curved edges in AutoCAD. Curved edges are great for smoothing out sharp corners, creating flowing outlines, and giving your drawings a more polished, realistic look. There are several ways to do this in AutoCAD, and I'll walk you through 3 simple methods so you can choose the one that fits your design. First, let's look at the method that follows a series of points to create a smooth, freeform curve. Type SPL on your keyboard and press Enter. This activates the spline command, which lets you define the path of the curve by clicking points on your drawing. Click to place your first point, then keep clicking along the path you want the curve to follow. AutoCAD will generate a smooth curve that passes through those points. When you're done placing points, press Enter to finish the spline. If you want precision, make sure your object snaps are on, so you can snap to endpoints or intersections, and don't hesitate to zoom in to place points exactly where you need them. Next is the arc method, which is perfect for a single, clean, circular curve. Type arc and press Enter. Now use your mouse to define the arc by following the prompts in the command line. Typically, you'll click to set a start point, a second point that guides the direction, and then an end point to finish the arc. If you prefer, you can also use center-based options, but the default 3-point arc is often the quickest. Adjust your view as you go, and rely on object snaps for accuracy so your arc ties perfectly into your existing geometry. Finally, let's create a curved connection between 2 straight lines using fillet. Type fillet and press Enter. Now click the first line, then click the second line. AutoCAD will create a smooth curve that trims or extends the lines to meet that arc. If you don't see a curve, the fillet radius might be set to 0. Before selecting the lines, look to the command line and set a radius that matches how rounded you want the corner to be. This is a fast, reliable way to turn a sharp corner into a neat curve without drawing extra geometry. And there you go. With splines for organic shapes, arcs for clean circular curves, and fillet for quick rounded corners, you've got 3 practical ways to make curved edges in AutoCAD. Practice each one on a simple sketch, use undo if you need to refine, and you'll be creating smooth, professional curves in no time.